Getting system information is performed by the Axxon Next support utility. There are several ways to launch the support utility. From the Start menu, click Start. All applications. Axxon Next. Gathering system information. You can also launch the support utility using the Axxon Next tray tool. To do so, right-click on the Axxon Next tray tool in the system tray, and select Collect Logs from the list. The support utility is used to generate an archive which contains information about the system configuration and hardware status. If a problem occurs, attach the archive to a support request on a company support website at support.axxonsoft.com. This archive will be used by Axxon Soft Technical Support to provide assistance. The dialog box of the utility also includes summary of installed software, check boxes for configuring data collection, and the button for launching the processes service, which offers an in-depth situation analysis. If Force Collecting Dumps of Running Axxon Next Processes checkbox is selected, then the report will include a memory dumps of Axxon Next processes. With the Enable OS Security Logging option selected, the report will include an information about Windows security system. The Open Processes window button opens a window that displays active Axxon Next processes, which is used for detailed analysis of a situation. Selecting the Show Info about all processes in the System checkbox lets you view all processes running on the computer. To start collecting information, click on the Next button. The process of collecting system information will begin. It's shown as a table with two columns, Step and Status. Step column displays a brief description of the information collection stage. In the Status column, a progress indicator and the time spent on executing the stage are displayed. When information collection is complete, click on the Next button. The resulting window displays information about the generated archive, which is saved in Documents folder. The Open Directory with File button opens the folder that contains the archive. Collection of system information is now complete.